for Vincent Corporation in Tampa, Florida. This is a press that's been blasted. It's set up for explosion-proof, vapor-tight construction. Vents over the cake discharge and cover. Companion flange supply on the inlet hopper so you connect your ductwork. There's a little shredder and a 6-inch press. We're going to test with this 4-inch press. We're going to run it with some pumpkin stuff. If I take it and squeeze it, I get water out. And then we have some other pumpkin stuff. And if I take this and squeeze it, I get a few drops coming out, but not a whole lot. Notice this liquid from this one's dirtier than the liquid from that one. Anyway, we'll give it a try. Okay, Alex is feeding the material in here. Feeding okay. We get this coming through here, we'll close the discharge pump. There's a chunk made it down already. Okay, it's coming out to the end here. And now run the discharge cone in. So the liquid I'm getting out is just due to the tightening.
Oh, there it goes.
Okay, there she opened. Okay. And I've got it down to 10 psi, which is a bare minimum, but this stuff is soft and squishy enough. We'll see when it fills up if the cone will open. Normally we operate with the cone at least 15 psi on up to 60 psi. So the fact that I'm running at 10 shows my concern. I don't have enough material here to run a throughput capacity test. We'll just have to guess at what the pounds per minute are. I'm surprised we're getting this much liquid out of this stuff. The pinch point is in this corner here. That'll break your stick. But anything you punch over here, the flight pushes your stick away. So,
okay.
So yeah.
I kind of noticed it builds up over here.
Yep. Okay. And we're still getting a little bit of liquid. Okay, it must have bridged over because all at once we're getting the liquid again. Gonna have to keep poking it. Yep, cake started to come out. Now I got beautiful action. This is as good as it would get. Shows a split between the pressed liquor and pressed cake. The press seems to have stopped working. It's just churning there in the inlet hopper. What we'll do is try running it backwards. Hit the reverse switch on the VFD, and I'll watch the screw here. Okay, there the screw stops. Now it's going backwards. Oops, I hoped I would clear the screen. No luck. Turn it forward again to stop it, and it goes forward again. And whatever my problem is, it didn't solve it. Oh, a little bit of started up again. So running it backwards did break it, whatever was stuck in there. You can program it to do that automatically. Anyway, we'll get a feel for what percent we're separating. I see some. Okay, we're gonna give this a try. So far this one looks like it's feeding better. We got about 30% of the first one to come out of. Oh, it's feeding right away. So I'll run in my air pressure, leave it down at 10 psi. And See if it'll keep going. Yes, we got 30% by weight to separate it out as liquid in that first test. That was with what we call waste. This is what we're calling skin. We haven't changed the speed of the press. It's still going about 20 RPM. Boy, that looks good. Okay, we're running a time test here. See how many, what split we get and how many pounds per hour. Just running by itself. I take a fistful of this. I can still get a few drops out. I could be squeezing tighter. I could run my air pressure up higher. It started coming out on its own accord about the time I'd given up. Here we are in the assembly department. This is a KP16 press. Typically we see that used for waste, produce waste. Little one lab press like we were using. There's another 16-inch press. It's going for dairy manure in Abu Dhabi. Scrap, gearboxes. We're in the assembly area, so there's a lot of presses here, and little ones. Anyway, that's Vincent.